Hello, so today I'm going to teach you about a extremely hard math problem that looks pretty simple at first, but since the 1900s, absolutely no one has solved it. Like, no one on the history of Earth has solved it yet. Okay, so it's called the 3x plus 1 puzzle, and it was actually made by the Soviet Union to slow down American math, and it kind of did because researchers and mathematicians have been trying to solve it for decades now, and they still haven't. So it's called the 3x plus 1 or the Collatz conjecture, I think. So, okay, let me teach you. Okay, so you take a random number x, right? Now, you multiply that by 3 and then add 1 to that. Now, if the number is odd, then you again multiply by 3. Let's just do, if it's odd, then you again multiply by 3 and add 1. Then, if it's I know this looks like minus. I'm trying to make it into X. Okay, so plus 1. If it's even, you divide by 2. Okay, so let me give you a little example. Also, this goes on until you reach the number 4. And then what will happen is because 4 is odd, even, you will divide by 2, so giving you 2. Then what will happen is when you divide by 2, because 2 is odd, 2 is even, so you'll divide by 2 again to get 1, which is odd. So then you'll multiply by 3, add 1, 4, and then you're in a 4, 2, 1 loop. So, okay, let me give you an example. Let's say the number is 5, right? So, okay, so you want to multiply by 3 and add 1, which is equal to 3. 5 times 3 is 16. 15 plus 1 is 16. So it's equal to 16. Now, of course, 16 is even, so you're going to divide by 2. Still even, divide by 2. Oh no, got into the 4, 2, 1 loop again, which is what we want to try to avoid. So I actually tried this puzzle, and the first time I actually got 200 steps. What's a step? So every time you do one of these, every time you get a number, it's a step. So 1 step, 2 steps. And then before you get down to 4, so this only lasts 2 steps. Tiny, just immediately 2 steps, that's all. And it's even worse with 8, would only last 1 step. Excuse me, this is 2 steps, I think, sorry. Okay, so that, I meant 3 steps, okay. So if you get 5, you only get 3 steps. I tried the number, I think, 2,596, and then I got 200 steps, exactly 200, which is really cool. Anyways, let me give you another example. This one is a better number to choose from and will last a bit longer than 3 steps. So take 7, multiply by 3, add 1, it's 22. Now divide by 2, you get 11. Now multiply by 3 and add 1, 34. Now 34, you divide by 2, you get 17. Then you multiply by 3 and add 1, which gets you 52. Then you divide by 2, you get 26. 26, you divide by 2, you get 13 times 3 plus 1 is 40. Then you divide by 2, 20. Then you divide by 2 again, which is 10. You divide by 2 again, which is 5. Then pay homage to 5 again. Now you multiply by 3, add 1, you get 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8, and then 8 divided by 2 is 4, and then we're in the 4, 2, 1, like way more steps. But scientists are trying to find infinite steps, trying to find a number where they will have infinite steps. So yeah, it's a really cool math puzzle. So yeah, so you can see how many steps is this actually. So, okay, so it's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the last 13 steps, 10 more than the measly 3. We got with 5, but still ended up in a 4-2-1 loop, unfortunately. Anyways, so that is the really cool math puzzle known as 3x+1. I'll make a part 2 to this problem. I'll make a part 2 to this. Love you guys. See you on the next time.